Hello and welcome students. So today we are going to start a new lesson and the title of this lesson is The Necklace and it is taken from our supplementary book Footprint Without Feet. So in this lesson, especially about two characters the author is talking. Number one is Matilda and number two is Madame Forrester. Madame Forrester means Madame Forrester. So these are the two main characters. Mainly Matilda is the main character here. Now Matilda always dreamt that I should live very luxurious and happy life. But unfortunately she could not live that. And why? Because she was born in very poor family and even she is married in a clerk family. Clerk means his husband was clerk in board of education. So therefore he was not having enough earning. So she was not able to live luxurious life. Okay, she was having all the facilities, but still whatever things she was in need, she was not able to get. So she was a little bit worried about her poverty. Now next what happened? Now one day Matilda cooked very delicious food and husband came from office and they both had dinner together. So husband just praised the food and said, it is very delicious, you just prepared very tasty food this evening. In this way they were talking and they were living very happy life. They were having a servant also in their house who was doing all the other work of the house. So in this way they were living very happy life. And somewhere Matilda was not happy with herself and the life because she was not able to get all the facilities, very nice dress, even jewelry. So she had very big dream. So she was not able to fulfill those all. Now one day when her husband, Matilda's husband went for job, he was given an invitation card. And with that invitation card, he came home and he handed over that invitation card to his wife Matilda. But Matilda was not happy to receive that card. And husband thought that generally ladies are very happy and my wife she always wants to look very beautiful. She has very big dreams and this card which invitation card I got it is given to only some special people and so very selected people will be coming there, only high profile people will be coming for that party. So but the wife was not happy to receive that card. Therefore husband was little bit worried about that. So he just asked Matilda, you are not looking happy to have this invitation card. We are invited for a ball party. Ball party means a dance party where couple dance and dinner is also there. So in this way, but Matilda said, no, I am not happy to have this card because I have a reason. And what is the reason? I do not have very beautiful dress to wear in the party. So her husband just tried to convince her, so many dresses you are having, just wear any one. But Matilda was not happy. She wanted to wear new dress for that whole party. Because she said there only high profile people will be coming, they will be dressing up very well, they will be looking very beautiful and if I go in simple or normal dress or casual dress, I won't be looking good. So I want to look pretty, I want to look beautiful. In this way she said. So husband said, okay, no problem, you do not set your mood off. I will give you some money and you purchase one new dress for the whole party. And he just asked how much money is required to purchase a new dress. So Matilda thought for a while, she was silent for a while, she thought and after that she said to husband that I want 400 francs. Francs is a currency. So he was little bit shocked to hear because 400 francs this was a big amount for him because he was not earning that much money. His earning was not good enough. So he was little bit worried, but he agreed because he thought that my wife should be happy. So he said, okay, I will give you 400 francs and you just go and purchase one beautiful dress for yourself. So Matilda was very happy. she got money and she went and purchased one beautiful dress, long dress, as like a frock or a long gown we can call it. So in that way, she was very happy to have that new dress, and she thought that I will be looking very beautiful in this dress. So now next what happened? Now as the day was coming closer and closer of ball party, again one evening Matilda was not happy, and her husband said, now after few days we are going for that ball party. So Matilda was not looking happy, and husband asked, why are you not looking happy? We are going for a ball party. So she said, no, I am not happy because I have only one dress, and there when the people will be coming, only special people are invited, so their wives, and they will be coming in very nice beautiful dresses, as well as they will be wearing very nice and very costly jewelry, precious jewelry also they will be wearing. So but I do not have any jewelry. So her husband just tried to convince her and said, no problem, you just take some fresh flowers and make a jewelry of it and wear. You will be looking unique and you will be looking beautiful. But Matilda was not satisfied with those words. So her husband said, you are having so many rich friends, why don't you go and ask someone for jewelry? If we are not able to purchase now, you can borrow it from your friend. So that time Matilda was very excited and happy. Ah, it is very good idea because I have to wear only for one party, so I will borrow it from my friend. And who was her friend? Madame Forrester. Madame Forrester means Madame Forrester. So next day she just went to her friend and asked that I want a jewelry and I have to wear that in a party. So Madame Forrester just took her and she opened her almirah or cupboard where she was keeping all the jewelry, and from there she has taken out many jewelry and told Matilda, you just select any one. And Matilda was very happy to choose, but she was not happy because she was not getting the right choice, and still she was looking for the jewelry but she did not get it. And Madame Forrester said that if you do not like this, I have some more, I can take them out. So she took out some more and she found that one black slim box was kept. In that one necklace was kept that was of diamond. So Matilda took out that black box and she opened and she found that very beautiful and precious diamond jewelry was there. So she was very happy to see that, and she said, I want this one. So Madame Forrester said, okay, you can take this and return it when you are back from the ball party. And this Matilda took that jewelry and went. Now the day has come of a ball party, and that day Matilda wore her nice dress and jewelry, and she combed her hair and she was looking very beautiful. Means she was just looking pretty. So she was very happy, and both of her husband and wife, both of them went for the ball party, and that night they enjoyed, they had dinner, they had dance and everything. So around 4 o'clock in the morning they were enjoying them, and around 4 o'clock they came out of the ball party, and from there when they were coming back to their home, they just came out. They were not able to get any carriage to go home, and so they just walked. When they were walking from there, so her husband tried to put a wrap a kind of cloth around her neck because it was cold. But she said, this dress, this cloth which you are putting on my shoulder, it is hiding my necklace and it is also hiding my dress, so I don't like it. She was just trying to remove, but it was cold, so her husband put, and Matilda and husband walked very fast, and for around some meters they found another carriage that was very old one, but they took and went back to their home. So before changing the dress, Matilda just thought, one more glance I should have of myself in front of mirror. So she went there. She went just in front of the mirror and she was very happy to look herself. And suddenly she put her hand around her neck and she found the necklace was not there. it was missing from her neck. So she was very shocked that necklace is missing. So she just checked it in that cloth which was wrapped around her neck. She just checked in the dress, everywhere she checked in the house, but she did not get. So she told her husband also that necklace is I am not getting my necklace, it is missing. So her husband also was worried, he was also changing. So again he dressed up and he went outside. Even in the carriage where by which they came, they do not know the number and anything. So they went back whole night, husband went back and he asked, first he asked whether it was available when you were in ball party. That time Matilda said yes, it was there. But after when I came out of that party, then I did not see my necklace. Now only I am seeing. So he said, okay, let me look for it. So he went here, there, everywhere, wherever they have gone through, he just went and looked back. Even he went in police station, he just filed a report. So everything, whatever he could do to get that necklace back, he did. But they were helpless because they could not get the necklace. Now they were too much worried. Since up to 7 o'clock in the morning, his husband was looking for the necklace and he was back and he was very much tense. Now what they have to do? They have to purchase new necklace and give it to Madam Forrester. Because if Matilda go and say to Madam Forrester that I have lost your necklace, she might think about her that she has kept it with herself and she is not willing to return and she has stolen it. That way she may think. Therefore, Matilda thought that we should not say anything to Madam Forrester and instead will purchase new necklace and give to her. So her husband, he was keeping some money saved for the future, so he took out all the money. And when he collected all the money, whatever he was having, those were only 18,000 francs. And they just went to look for the necklace, and same to same necklace they had to look for. And when they got one necklace, same as like Madam Forrester, but it was having 40,000 francs price. So it was impossible for them to pay. So therefore, they just bargained with the jewelers, and around 36,000 he was ready to pay. Now next what happened? When he was ready for 36,000, so they were still having only 18,000. So he said, we'll have to arrange another 18,000, and from somewhere they have taken. And they just paid that much money. By the time they have taken enough time, so they paid and they brought that necklace. And this Matilda, she went back and returned the necklace to Madam Forrester. And Madam Forrester said, you have taken a lot of time to return, and I could also wear this thing, so you should have returned it on the time. And Matilda was having too much fear because she kept that thing in a box. So now Madam Forrester opened the box. So Matilda had fear that maybe she will recognize that it is not mine one, it is replaced. So she had a fear, and Madam Forrester checked the necklace and she could not recognize. She thought that it was her only, and she kept it. She was very happy. And Matilda said, Matilda again returned back to her home. Now they started living life, but they have taken a lot of money. So for that, the money which they have taken, they had to return. On interest they had taken money and they had to pay a lot of money instead of that 18,000 francs, because it was a very big amount. So what Matilda and husband said, they sent the servant back. Now all the work, whatever household work, Matilda started doing. Means she was herself cooking food, she herself washing clothes, she herself sweeping, mopping, cleaning, everything. Even they have changed the house. Earlier they were living in a big house. Now they have changed it to the very short, small room. And her husband every day he was going. Now means they managed to live very normal life because they had to pay. And around 10 years had been taken by them to return those money on interest. So for 10 years they were continuously paying the money. Then they were able to pay the complete money to the person to whom they borrowed money. So now after after long time, again Matilda one day she was walking on a street, and Madame Forrester also was walking on the same street, and Matilda thought I should speak to Madame Forrester that what is the reality, and but she was a little bit having fear in herself that how will I talk, and she was walking, and suddenly she wished Madame Forrester. So Madame Forrester said, sorry, I don't know who are you. I think we are not familiar to each other. But Matilda said, I am Matilda, I am your friend. Why she was not able to recognize Matilda? Because she was looking very bad. Her condition was really very poor. And her face, her hand, her hair, everything was looking so much poor. Therefore, she could not, Madame Forrester could not recognize her. Now what happened? Matilda said, it is all because of you. I have taken one necklace from you, and that necklace I lost that night itself, and I purchased new necklace for you, and for that I had to pay 36,000 francs, and for that I have to return those money for 10 years, and therefore my condition is like that. So Madame Forrester said, oh, very poor to hear, very sad to hear that, because the necklace which I had given to you, that was fake, means that was not real diamond, means that was fake diamond. So it was another shock for Matilda that you gave me the necklace which was made of necklace which was made of fake diamond, that was not real, and I have given you the real one, and I have paid for it for 10 years. But now the time has passed, they have earned money, they have given, so many things happened. In this way, the lesson is coming to end, and Matilda was in a very poor condition, and she kept living in the same condition. Even she did not ask back for that diamond necklace. Therefore, it is said that we should be very happy whatever we do have. We should never go for the greediness. Sometimes it may be dangerous for our life, as Matilda has suffered a lot because of the diamond. If she could be agree with her husband that whatever you have you wear, but she had a big dream, and because of that today now she is very poor. So I hope that you are very clear with the summary of the lesson. With this hope, all the best. Thank you very much.